Hey, Hakan again in Webnus. And thank you very much for joining me today. In the video today, we're going to talk about one of the most frequently asked questions by users, which is about the textual elements in Mech, how we can customize that. So before we get started with the video itself, it's very important to highlight that there are two groups of textual elements in Mech. The first group of words are words like, for example, register, book an event, view details, more event. These words are usually seen in the environment of Mech itself, for which Webnus Calendar is a customization solution within this plugin. But the second group of words are all the other words that you can't customize within the plugin itself, and Mech has not offered a customization solution for that. In this video today, we're going to show you how you can customize the second group and how it's done. So stay with me to see how we can do it.
First, let's go over how you can customize the text on the first group. To customize register, we'll head to the Mech settings and select the translation options menu. Here you can customize the text for taxonomies, weekdays, booking, and other elements. Since we are looking to customize the register button, we'll replace the text we want in the field and hit Save Changes. Back to the front page and reload to see the changes reflected. The button's text has changed to what we inserted in the settings. Now, let's move on to the second group, which is slightly more difficult to customize given that they are not included in Mech by default. For example, I want to customize something in the booking process. So, let's create a mock booking. Let's say you want to customize the message that's displayed after every successful booking. To accomplish this, we'll need the help of a third-party translation plugin called Loco Translate. Once you've added this free plugin, head to the plugin subheading under its side menu options and select Webnus Calendar. On this page, we've got many different languages that are available in Mech, but since we're looking to change the English text, then we'll need to select English. Let's copy part of the text we want to customize and paste it in the filtered translations. Fill the toolbar here. We've gotten 3 results back, but we need to carefully select the text we want to customize, which according to the front is the one about tickets. This text is too long for me and I want it to be much shorter, so I'll just change it to thank you for booking. And finally, hit save on the toolbar and check to see how the text has changed now. Let's reload the page to submit another booking. As you can see, the successful booking text has changed to what we just customized using the Loco Translate plugin for Mech. This process can be replicated for any other piece of text that's available on Mech. Another example I'd like to demonstrate is the select payment method text, so just copy that over to Loco Translate and change it to just payment method. And there you have it. It's that easy to customize Mech's textual elements to your preferred style and register.
Thanks for staying with me until the end of the video. Don't forget to ring the bell and also subscribe to our channel not to miss on our upcoming videos. And also, do let me know down below in the comment section what other topics or ideas you'd like us to cover in our future videos. Thanks, and see you in the next video.